Hi everyone, welcome back to another property tour, and today we'll be showing you our new listing here in Uptown Cagayan de Oro City. So this property is a newly renovated, a two-story house for sale here at Golden Glow North. So for those who are searching for a ready for occupancy, accessible, exclusive, and gated community, this might be the perfect match for you. Without further ado, let's begin our tour. This property sits on a 108 square meter lot with a total floor area of 145 square meter. So wala na ulan. So now you have a beautiful facade with a large or spacious balcony. It has already a gate and fully fenced na siya. So added security, but this property is a gated community also with 24/7 security. So let's get inside. As we walk in, so you'll find a covered carport na. So it can accommodate one full SUV. On my right side, you have this front yard. So pwede ninyo himuon as your garden area. So as you can see, na siya planter back. Then you have your design na diha. So it's nice and spacious pa kaayo siya. So you have here on my right side, you have your gate also. So added security gihapon. So and it's perfect for if naamoy mga pets. So, pwede rin niyo ibutang ang pets diri. But now, let's check the rest of the home. Tara. So, at the moment you walk in, you'll find your receiving area or living area. So, you have your fluted panels, accent wall shots, and you have your minimalist aesthetic lights right there. So you have your sliding window, shy grills for security. And of course, this is the provision for the television. So you have your accent wall also, so stone inspired. So what's nice about this is that after living area, so you have your bedroom on the ground floor, which is perfect for elders. Kung naapa mo'y elders sa inyo ha. So, napay space diri for storage or cabinet. So, na siya bed frame. Then, moving forward, you have your toilet and bath right here. So, na siya water closet, sink, and shower area. So, moving forward is the dining area. So, it can accommodate 4-seater dining table. Na siya sliding window, sliding door that leads to the side of the property, and then of course lights, your cabinet right here, so cabinetry. And then what's nice about this is that you have your kitchen area or auxiliary kitchen na. So extended na siya. So dali ato tanawon. So naka-covered na tanan, nag-screen na. So pwede ra na ninyo i-close. Then you have your kitchen countertop with double sink. Then included na sila. Then here is the laundry area. So very spacious, good kaayo siya, di ba? And then you have an access right here, as you can see, padulong sa imuhang garahe. And then you have your spiral stairs going to the balcony. So let's head up to the second floor. Now let's head up to the second floor. Tara. So please take a moment to appreciate this beautiful chandelier. So now we're landed on the second floor, shared bathroom right here. So, na siya water closet, sink, and of course, shower area. So, this is the first bedroom on the second floor. So, you have your bed na, and then your French type na window, then nanapod siya cabinet right here. So, actually, ready for occupancy na gid ni siya. And next is the second bedroom, which is naa siya access sa spacious nga balcony. So enough for a starter family or even a growing family. So duha lang ka bedroom ang diri sa second floor. So now let's check the balcony. So this is the balcony, very spacious. And then look at that, nice kaayo ang environment, ang silingan, mingaw. So very spacious, nice ni siya, perfect ni siya for even family gatherings. Kay naman siya, actually na siya access right here. So na siya access here. So spacious kay siya, you can add coffee table, even couch kay naka-covered na sad siya. So nice kay ni siya mag-chill diri with your loved ones. We're done on our quick house tour. So if you're interested in this property and want to check it in person, don't hesitate to message us on our official Facebook page at GMZ Properties page. Bye!